Hi, I'm Lorna Kelley. I teach 6th grade advanced double block at Tyrone Middle School. Welcome to my class. I just try and get to know my scholars and incorporate everything that they like, as well as just incorporate movement.
She helps us learn, but in a really fun way.
I want them to feel loved, and I want them to just be themselves. That's the most important part, because if they're confident about themselves and they feel loved, the learning's gonna come.
Math used to be like one of my least favorite subjects actually, but now since I have Miss Kelly, it's one of my favorites.
I still have 8th graders and 7th graders that come visit me just because they want tutoring or they miss me or they just need a hug. I just want them to know that I'm always gonna be there.
If anybody gets Miss Kelly, you're in great hands.
She's one of the teachers I wanted for a long time, to the point where I really don't want to miss a day of school for first period.
I love waking up in the morning just to come here and teach them. The kids make it all worthwhile. And when they get that moment where they're like, I don't get it. And then I'm like, okay, let's talk through it. And then they get it, or they answer their own question. It means the world to me.